Splash Up Kids.
Hi kids! Ready to learn colors? Let's say them together. Come on. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white. One more. What is it? Gray. Super! Let's try one more time. A little faster. Okay. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white. And last one, gray. Wow! Now let's say them backwards. Ready? Gray, white, black, brown, purple, pink, orange, green, yellow, blue, and the last one, red. Nice job. Last time, let's say them all together super fast. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white. And the final one, gray, like a big splash of colors. Watch again and try again. Bye-bye, kids.
Subscribe to Splash Up Kids. Let's splash the learning fun.